my early animations of how a RAID array works, and I will tell you, I wrote this for executives. So most executives do not know what exclusive OR meant. So when I put exclusive OR and I put like XOR in there for the exclusive OR routine, because that's actually what happens, is drives exclusive OR their parity. They had no clue what I said. But if I said A plus B equals C, they knew what that meant. Right? Everybody had this finance class or whatever else, and they could figure out A plus B equals C. So I replaced it with A plus B equals C. So here you go. So, you know that alarm that you just heard, there is an alarm on most RAID controllers. Have everybody heard that? The alarm on the RAID controllers?
It's usually in the server room that no one hears anyway.
Well, it's either in the server room and no one hears, but in a small business, it's usually like in the closet right outside the CEO's office.
Like, shut the noise off.
Yes, he says, shut the noise off. He walks through, he's like, what the hell's going on? Shut that off. I have work to do. And then what happens after you shut it off? Yeah, what? Nobody does nothing. Yeah, no urgency is gone. And then the CEO says, oh, well, all right, we'll put in a purchase order for that extra hard drive that you need. We'll get around to it. Oh, I'm not sure it's in the budget. I'm not sure we have enough money to buy that extra SCSI hard drive that you asked for. So that's really what happens. They have no clue. And then like 6 months later, that's when it goes. So right now it's running, but as soon as that one goes, now you got a bigger problem. And then that's when we see it for recovery, and of course the server's down and nobody's doing any work, and then the IT guy gets fired like it was his fault. He gets fired. So he's like, you did not explain the urgency to me, so you are fired. Or he just quits. He's like, I'm out of here. The server's down. You know, there's some statistic that like a small business, that 92% or something of small businesses that suffer a major loss like this that don't get it recovered go out of business within 1 year or something from a major loss.
I'd say my view on that is that if they don't manage it properly, they have other problems.
They're sure going to be out of business anyway. Right.
For some reason, this is always within the budget. The one drive that they can buy, that's not in the budget.
Yeah.
But when this fails, they have
Right, they got enough money to pay for it. Yeah, I don't care how much it is, I've got to get it back. So now, here's another problem. When the second drive goes, you know, because the idea is you can throw an X on any one of these drives. And so the segment is going to